The whole reason that I'm doing this, it's not for my family, it's not for anything like that, but I have contacted everyone from Troy that I know, like, lived in Panama City or that I personally knew, and I was like, hey, like, is your family okay?
Kristen Humphreys, a junior exercise science major from Panama City, Florida, is only one of many Troy University students who have been severely affected by Hurricane Michael, the Category 4 hurricane that made landfall in Mexico Beach, Florida on Wednesday, just southeast of her hometown.
The house that I grew up in, we like just moved out of, and so it's not there. It was completely destroyed, so I think that was God like kind of telling us like we needed to go whenever we did. But my mom's house, we haven't been able to get in anywhere in that area.
Humphrey's father's apartment has also taken severe damage, and several of her extended family members' homes are completely gone. But with all the devastation in her own family, she still focuses on helping those who have lost more.
Imagine waking up and not having anything, like toothbrush to socks to dog food to cat food to baby food, like anything you can think of.
Humphreys met with SGA President Gus McKenzie and Director of Student Involvement Barbara Patterson on Thursday. Together, they want to organize a relief team that will travel to Panama City and other affected areas.
And I've talked to like the sheriffs and like all of them down in Panama City, and I've like ask them when's the best time for us to come, because there are like pre-plans and everything that we can, like re-entries.